This recording is going to present you the step-by-step of going through completing chapters 1 and chapters 2 of the Excel conditional formatting lesson number 1. First, be sure that your browser is in full screen format. As well, ensure that you have both lesson 1 and the Excel conditional formatting tab open, which presents the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. And now we begin working our way through chapters 1 and 2, which you can see outlined here. Click into the overview, which is section 1 of the first chapter, which presents an overview of the exercise we're going to be going through. Next, click on the Next Chapter button. Here you're presented with an overview of the first actual exercise. To move to the second step or second section, you can click here on the number 2, but you can also click here on the Next button. And I'll click here on number 2. This now presents the actual step-by-step instructions for completing the exercise leading up to verifying the results. And also you'll find a series of screenshots here that outline all of the steps here that are text-based. If you need a little extra room, you can slide this bar out. And also if you accidentally collapse it, all you have to do is find lesson 1, click it again, and it will reopen. So now continuing on with step 2, and following these instructions, what you'll be doing is going to the conditional formatting here. But first, select the cells that you want to apply the conditional formatting within. So cells F2 through F10. Then select the conditional formatting, and we're going to be creating a new rule. And we're going to specifically be creating a rule that will format only the top or bottom ranked values. And we want to select that we're only going to be identifying or conditionally formatting one value, and that being the top value. Next, click on the Format button. Now click on the Number tab. We're going to apply a custom format for the number, and you'll find that custom formatting here at the bottom of the list. Just scroll to the bottom and select here the super exclamation 00. Next, click on the Font tab, and we're going to apply a bold formatting for text, and also we're going to select the color purple to apply to the formatting as well. Now you can just click on OK, click on OK again, and now you can see the actual formatting conditionally applied in cell F2, which identifies the single top value in the series of cells that were selected. At this point, you can move on to the next step, which will now be the verification of the exercise. Here, you just click on the check button, and this screen, as it's presented with the formatting, will be verified against the expected result, and it has passed, and it automatically moved us on to the next step. You can return to the previous chapter by clicking here on Format Top and Bottom Ranked Values. You can also click here by going to the previous chapter if you want to further review the results of your check.